Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best laundry sorter cart that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the 2-bag compact laundry hamper sorter cart by Seville Classics. This is a great laundry cart, and it comes with 2 separate bags. Along the base of these bags, there are supportive dual crossbars, making them very durable. Each bag can hold about 10 pounds of laundry. These bags are removable, and you can wash them in a washing machine when they are dirty. This cart is made of polyester 75% and cotton 25%. With its small size, this cart is very suited for limited space storage. We highly recommended you get this brand due to its well-known premium quality. The 2-inch wheels enable an easy and smooth rolling both on the floor and carpet, and they are all attached securely. Another great thing about the wheels is that they are made of rubber, so they will not leave any scratches on your floor when you push them around. We are certain that you will love this cart. Moving on, at number 4, we have the triple laundry sorter by Honey Can Do. With Honey Can Do, you can do it all, and that includes sorting laundry time efficiently and neatly. This unit, it is crafted from chrome for durability and appeal. It is well made, tough, and rust-proof, featuring cotton bags that can be removed, keeping the sorter clean, and moving it around is an easy task. The wheels can be locked, and smooth rolling. Simplify your life with Honey Can Do. At number 3, we have the 4-section rolling laundry sorter by Whitmor. The quality of this laundry sorter will meet all your expectations for its cost. This rolling laundry is guaranteed to be rust-free and the frame is a chrome-plated steel. With this Whitmor brand, it comes with 4 separate bags, and all of them are made of cotton and removable. Each bag is just the perfect size for your separate laundry, and they are very durable. You will not worry that they can easily tear when loaded with your heavy laundry. Most importantly, each bag also has a removable handle, making it very convenient for you to carry them around. In addition, you can just throw them into your washing machine when they are dirty. The swivel wheels allow an easy and smooth roll. Another plus is that 2 of the wheels have a lock to ensure a stability stand. We can as well assure you that there will not be any assembly frustration for the laundry sorter. At number 2, we have the 4-bag heavy-duty rolling laundry sorter cart by Simple Houseware. This laundry rolling cart is perfect and very durable. It comes with 3 colors: brown, chrome, and silver. Moreover, these well-designed steel frames are made out of very good quality material steel. It is also very easy to assemble compared with other laundry sorters. You can now separate your laundry since this cart comes with 4 good bag size, allowing you to save your time in finding your laundry quicker. In addition, each bag can hold a lot, up to 11 gallons, of clothes. In addition, these bags are also very easy to wash, and they will not tear easily. Another plus of these bags is that they won't cause any bad smell or odor since each bag has a silica gel pouch. 2 of the wheels have a lock-up to ensure a stable balance for users. However, it can give a smooth roll when unlocked. You will have no trouble dragging a heavy laundry around anymore. We can assure you that this purchase is definitely worth your money. And finally, at number 1, we have the rolling laundry basket hamper by SONGMICS. This laundry cart sorter is a perfect space saver. We can guarantee you that this is a wonderful heavy-duty caster. All of the wheels are very durable and stable since 2 of them come with a brake, so you can easily lock them when you want this cart to stand still. In addition, the wheels provide a very smooth and comfortable rolling which can save you a lot of energy. This cart comes with 4 separate bags that can be removable. Each of them also comes with a strong lifting handle. These bags and the metal part of the cart are water and rust-proof. Overall, this cart has a very sturdy construction, thus making this a very great laundry hamper. With this cart sorter, it will definitely simplify your complicated laundry because it allows you to organize laundry for different members of your family. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.